Hi there, my name is Cam and I'm one of the office managers here at Greg Distributors. Welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Greg's. Before we start with this video, I want to remind you to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our future content. Now, we all know that cut, puncture, and chemical risks are prevalent in the workplace. But what about the one danger we always seem to forget? That's right, today we're turning up the heat and talking about heat-resistant gloves and how they work to keep you safe. Heat-resistant gloves are work gloves that are designed to protect our hands from burns or other heat-related injuries. These can occur due to contact with extremely hot objects, working near sparks and flames, or from being exposed to high temperatures in the workplace. Heat hazards can be low level, like in the food preparation industry, or extreme, such as in the forging or glass industries. Depending on the application or industry, certain heat-resistant gloves are better suited to one workplace over another. The amount of heat protection you need is determined by your working conditions. However, there are a few factors you should think about to be sure you're getting the best gloves for you and for the job. Let's start by taking a look at how heat ratings are measured in North America. The standard test for thermal protection is the American Society for Testing of Materials, or ASTM F1060 test. This test measures the conductive heat resistance of a material to determine its thermal insulation properties for contact with hot surfaces. Simply put, this test tells you the maximum temperature at which you can hold an object for more than 4 seconds before feeling pain, and for more than 15 seconds before getting a second-degree burn. This test rates the glove material between level 1, 80 degrees Celsius, and level 5, 320 degrees Celsius. For example, an ASTM Heat Level 4 glove holding a 260 degrees Celsius object would have a time to pain of greater than 4 seconds with a time to second degree burn of 15 seconds. The other type of heat rating standard is the European standard, the EN 407. This standard includes 6 thermal tests: burning behavior, contact heat, convective heat, which is airflow or liquid flux, radiant heat, like a flame or the sun, along with small and large splashes of molten metal. The results of these tests are shown by a numerical value from 0 to 4, beneath the image of a shield with a flame in it, as seen here. To choose the right glove for your specific application, you first need to determine the temperature of the object. To do so, use an infrared thermometer, like this one. It is important to be accurate with the reading, so using an infrared thermometer is the best way to do this. This step is critical for 2 reasons. If you overestimate the heat of an object to play it safe, you may get a glove that has too much insulation. This makes the glove bulky and will limit dexterity. By underestimating the heat of the object, you're putting yourself at risk for burns. Your glove selection will vary drastically if you hold a heated object for 60 seconds versus 5 seconds, and this will affect the amount of insulation you need. Knowing this and the temperature of your workplace will help you to determine the type of material you need your glove to be made from. Some of the common materials include Kevlar, Terry-Knit, neoprene, or a combination of them. Kevlar is a popular choice for heat-resistant gloves because it can withstand extreme temperatures up to 425 degrees Celsius without melting, it's flame-resistant, and extremely cut-resistant. Terry-Knit gloves provide both heat resistance and insulation since the loop knit traps air to create an excellent insulator. They're great for heat resistance below 230 degrees Celsius. The terry cloth may not seem like it offers much in the way of protection, but who hasn't used a dishcloth to take something out of the oven after misplacing an oven mitt? A dishcloth and the terry glove use the same material, making this inexpensive glove a great option so long as you're not worried about cut or puncture risks. If you're working in an environment where steam or hot liquids are your biggest concern, look for a neoprene glove. This synthetic rubber resists degradation and has a burning point of 260 degrees Celsius. Offering chemical resistance and flexibility, most heat-resistant glove styles feature a combination of these high-performing materials. This combination gives you a glove that protects a worker against heat, as well as other common workplace hazards, such as cuts, abrasion, or puncture risks. For instance, the flame-resistant utility glove we saw before offers flame resistance, cut protection, and static dissipation properties. The Kevlar fiber and the neoprene coating on the palm and fingers help to make this glove a real workhorse. There's even additional padding for impact protection. Once you've narrowed down your material, it's time to choose a glove that not only fits your hand best, but also fits the job. Can you handle the tools required on a day-to-day basis? Do you have a good grip? Remember, when it comes to getting the best heat-resistant glove, it's a balancing act between dexterity and insulation. You have to make sure you are not getting one so thick that you can't do your job, or so thin that you're compromising safety. So know your tasks and your requirements before shopping for the perfect heat-resistant glove. Now, if you have any other burning questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Or you can visit our website at gregdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Cam, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Gregs.